Hello, brilliant buddies. Welcome to the jungle. Today, we're going to learn how to count with our animal friends. Are you ready? Let's get started. Here's our first friend. It's a monkey. Can you count with me? One monkey. Let's say it together. One. Look, two bright parrots. One, two. Count with me. One, two. Great job. Wow, look at the three elephants by the river. Let's count them. One, two, three. Fantastic. Here come some hopping friends. How many frogs can you see? Let's count. One, two, three, four. Good job. And look, we have 5 tigers. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing! Great job, brilliant buddies. You counted all the animals. Let's go over it one more time. 1 monkey, 2 parrots, 3 elephants, 4 frogs, and 5 tigers. Well done!